Hi, good morning. We are going to start our day this morning with some nature studies. So I'm going to take you inside and show you what's going on. These are all things that we picked from outside for our Monday Nature Day.
I want one feather.
Okay, we kind of lost everybody else, but these three remained.
I'm waiting for the green. I want this kind of green.
That
Nice.
is inside that. What's that is inside that.
The three different parts.
This is very hard. But inside this, there's that. Because I broke it open. I broke this open and I found.
So there's another layer before you actually get to the walnut.
I think we do it with a machine because that would be awesome.
Beautiful. Well, we are back from our jobs and our break time, and the kids are back at the table doing math. We have had some pre-adolescent attitudes today, but you know what? I just kept telling my kids, I'm like a broken record. Like, we are actually not going to say that. We are going to speak things that glorify God. We are going to use our words to glorify God. Like, I'm just going to be a broken record, and if I do this for a few hundred days or years, then I know that they're going to get it, they're going to hear me, and I'm reminding myself in the meantime. I wanted to show you my little Jeremiah did not come in for math games because he's just been quietly sitting just outside the window next to our pool, which is empty because it was kind of chilly. And he's just been like looking at this box of some of Bella's science things that she had sitting there, and now he's laying down playing with the cat. It's just so cute. He just really likes that alone time. So I'm going to show you a little peek of what he's doing.
Go.
These two have been having so much fun. This is the #1 favorite game. Everybody else is diligently working. Okay, yeah. We're on the bees. The bee says buh. The bee says
buh. The bee says buh. Every letter makes a sound. The bee says buh.
good job. So we finally figured out that it looks like Jeremiah has poison ivy. But he's been really careful not to scratch it. We've been putting stuff on it, so we're believing it's going to heal up fast because he's been doing a great job not touching it, right? Yes. Okay.
Because something was
Okay.
distracting him.
Yep, that's right. Work on your bee. He went ahead and dressed up like he was going out on the lake today.
Samuel.
He found the swimming things.
Let me show you.
These are looking so good.
This.
I need
Right here.
What's the matter?
One little tiny dot. Right?
Are you hungry? You want to nurse?
Tiny
I'm gonna
dot.
let Bella finish this up. The other kids are long gone, but Elsie begged to do spelling. More spelling, please, she said. So we're doing a little bit. She's writing all the words. We went through the whole stack of the level 1, and she's just wanting to write them all for fun.
Alright.
So that's what we're doing, just for fun. We're writing words. Right, Elsie? And you're on long. We've been here a long time. Didn't these turn out delicious?
Delicious.
Everything
Soaked buttermilk biscuits made with einkorn flour.
And Mom had some
It's an
leftover.
ancient flour.
What?
Woo!
Ooh.
You had some leftover.
Yum.
We had some leftover
Ew.
dough, so we took it and rolled it out and stuffed it with cheese and then made it into a ball.
It's still in the oven.
Yum.
Dessert.
Yum, yum. I put ice cubes in your bowl, Jeremiah.
Yeah.
Ring the dinner bell.